Hello students, today we will study about chapter 3, an open letter to the teacher from a child with autism. It's posted by Karan Rang. As we all know that this lesson belongs to lesson 3, unit 3, inclusion, and here autism, the word autism, it is not a disease, it is a mental disability. Okay, and in this chapter describe the mental condition of a child. And first we discuss about what is the meaning of an open letter. That means it is not a confidential letter and it's written by a particular or a individual person, but it may be read by everyone. That's why the name of this lesson is an open letter. Okay. And in this chapter, a child has a mental disability and he decided to write a letter, but he confused how to start the letter, and then his father helped him how to start the letter. Okay, so let us read the lesson. My 13-year-old son Louis, a child with autism, had decided to write an open letter to a teacher. He didn't know where to start, how to start. Okay, so I asked him what he likes and does not like about the school. I asked him what a teacher should and shouldn't do. About your school teacher, his father is saying his son. I asked him how he feels in school and how he feels in school and what type of help he needs from the school, from the teachers, school teachers, and the other person in the communications between home and school. What is the meaning of communication? The act of sharing or exchanging information. Okay, and the student's voice is sometimes lost. It may be seen many times. But this is the most important voice because Louis was not always able to express his thoughts orally or on paper. Okay, that's why I feel honored to hear his voice now. His father is saying, that's why I feel honored to hear his voice now. Okay, to start the letter. Dear teacher, thank you for helping me learn. I love to go to school. When I go to school, I notice that you give me a smile. You say hello in a gentle voice. That means a soft spoken. Gentle voice means soft spoken. That makes me feel happy. You say that makes me feel happy when you saying hello in a gentle voice. I need help focusing in class. I need help focusing in class because my brain sometimes flops, that means stops. Sometimes I feel tired and I don't know why. Sometimes I get distracted when pupil move around, and lights, noises sometimes distracted me. Okay? I like it when you turn off the lights. You should use the gentle voice. I work a lot. So many work for the students. That time I feel like I'm working all the time. Hard work makes me feel tired. When I'm doing hard work, that I'm feel tired. I need a break to walk around. Okay? You should always let me tell me the truth. You should always tell me the truth. Louis saying you should. Louis written in the letter, you should always tell me the truth. That means they want to teacher tell him always the truth. One time I had a teacher who liked to say, "Good job." I tested her. One time a teacher who asked to the Louis a good job for any work. I gave her wrong answer. That time I gave wrong answer to the teacher, but my teacher told me a good job. She kept saying good job. She was not telling the truth, because I know I don't do a good work, but my teacher saying me that time good job. When I make a mistake now, you always say you have to try again, not saying me that time a good job. So that's why I always need you should tell the truth to me. I like it when you tell me the truth. Okay? I don't like missing class to go to social skill or speech. Social skills means a skill that are necessary in order to communicate and interact with others. Okay? I like my regular schedule. Daily we are doing so many work. Their timing is fixed. That is a regular schedule. I want to be with the other students in my class. I want to learn with the teacher. And again, next para. I like lunch club. Louis saying, I like lunch club. Lunch club is a part of my schedule. I don't have to miss class to go to lunch club. I don't have to miss class to go to lunch club. Louis saying, I feel confused when I have to talk to other students. I like to be around other students, but I don't know what to say. Okay? Because Louis has a mental condition, mental disability. Okay? That's why they don't know what the other person or other student saying to him. Okay? What can hurt me sometimes? Louis saying again, what can hurt me sometimes? When I was in a preschool, I asked my teacher. That time I asked my teacher what their mom was. That time the teacher said him, your mother is gone. I felt scared. I frightened that time. I feel so many frightened. I like it when you tell me. I like to work with you. I like it when you look me in my eyes, and it's when you answer my question very carefully. And again Louis writes, in the letter, I like to try new things at school. I need someone to help me learn how to try after I learn how I can do it on my own. That means you are a good teacher. That means you are a good teacher. So, and at last the Louis written in a letter, your friend Louis. Your friend Louis. So here the writer Karen Wang expressed the feelings of a mental disabled child, how they feel, what is the mental condition of that, and a child, they want to express their feelings, they can't express their feelings on the paper or orally, they can't express their thoughts, but that has so many thoughts, but he's scared to express their feelings in front of others. Okay, so in this way this lesson is finished. Okay.